anak ng artista. I posted a TikTok of my mom several times before and akala nilang lahat artista siya, as in, sabi ko, ha, hindi, yung mom ko, she's not an artista, pero mukha lang siyang artista. My mom is very pretty and I'm proud of that. So, hi, mommy! So, wala siya sa heaven, guys. Andito lang siya sa... Okay, guys, I'm doing my blush na pala. Sorry, di ko masyado maano. Pero gets niyo naman. For the girls, alam niyo na yan. I'm doing my blush. Konti lang. Okay. Matangkad. Yeah, guys, matangkad ako. As in, like, 5'6". That's joke, guys. I'm like 5'1", 5'2". I like to round it off to 5'2". Mahilig sa spicy food. Yes, I love spicy food. Before, I hated spicy food. Pero, the thing with spicy food is, ganito yan. Aaminin ko, yung lasa, I just learned to love it. Pero the main reason kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan is kasi pag kumakain ka ng spicy food, most especially ramen, girl, instant lipstick yan kasi